Today we're in Albuquerque because we're coming together as GGJ members to start to put together what our membership assembly will look like and how we can better orient ourselves with our different organizations and figure out ways in which we can uplift the various struggles and fights that we're a part of.
We're excited to be here as part of the leadership team, going through different types of proposals that actually will be voted on by member leadership at the assembly in October.
The model of having member assemblies speaks to the work that we're trying to do in terms of really developing the practice, the experience, the muscle of our communities and being able to govern and self-govern and have participatory democracy in a way that has not existed in the United States and doesn't exist for a reason.
Estas 7 propuestas son la respuesta a una nueva realidad que estamos viviendo. Es por eso la importancia de que en octubre tienen que estar todas las compañeras que son partes de GGJ presentes en esta reunión, porque vamos a definir nuestro destino, nuestra vida, en las luchas que vamos a priorizar para trabajar para el bien no solo de nuestra familia, sino de nuestra comunidad.